If you want to start an online business, then listen to this video till the end. Most people are being lied to that they can make money online in an easy way without any skills. But here is the truth. To make money online, you must be ready to work. You must be ready to put in at least 1 to 3 months of learning a skills and implementing it. For me, it took me 1 month implementing the skill, and I was able to make my first income online. So I'll be lying to you if I told you that you can get started today and earn the following day, not unless you have the skills. So most people are being scammed online because they are being lied to that they can make money just doing nothing, like watching videos, or I don't know, through WhatsApp status view. I don't know if that works, but literally that is not how people make money online. If you are serious and you want to start a business online, then be sure that you have to dedicate some time in learning a skill or learning from someone who has already done it. So there is no shortcut here. You must put in the work. And as we get into 2024, this is a year of making money online, and don't be left behind, because online is a space where you can scale to any level that you want. There's no limit to making money online. It all depends with your hard work and dedication. So if you want to learn how to make money online, be ready to work. This is not a space for lazy people. You'll not make significant amount of money online if you are not ready to put in the work. And I've never seen someone who has made money online without learning the skills or putting in the work. There's no shortcut. Just like a job, you have to do the work. But most people just come here with ego problem and expect to make money like thousands of dollars just in a month or weeks of getting started. That doesn't work. You have to learn the skills. You have to put in the work, invest in skills. There are courses here about affiliate marketing, digital marketing. So if you want to learn how to make money online, you can always comment interested and reach out to me so that I can show you the ways I'm using to make money online through affiliate marketing. You too can do this, and let's make 2024 a year of success and a year of making money online, because it's possible.